learning how to drive. If I look weird, I feel weird. We are in Curacao! We're on a little vacation in Curacao. Just for a little bit. Just for a couple of weeks. Taking a little break from work and life. Been here for a couple of days now, actually. And today is the first day that I've actually come out. I'm outside running some errands. Actually preparing to travel again. Stay tuned for that. So we're vlogging today. I love Otrobanda and Rift 4, if only for these trees. It's just, and these colorful buildings, it's just lovely. Love it. It's giving vacation vibes. Yeah, so I'm preparing to travel tomorrow. I'm not telling you where I'm going yet, but I'm here and just to kind of relax and, you know, just kind of regroup, get ready to take on the second half of the year, even though we're already in August. But I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know that I'm here, I'm vlogging, and we're about to have some lunch, so I'm gonna take you with me, of course. Gracias. Ooh. Jack Sparrow?
Yes, Sparrow.
Ooh, Jack Sparrow's for him. Delicioso. Gracias. I couldn't talk in the restaurant because there was music there, but the food was pretty good, you know. The chorizo burger was a little on the fatty side, but that is to be expected, right? Chorizo, pork sausage, but flavorful, really nice. And then the Jack Sparrow burger was cheesy, full of mushroom, full of caramelized onions, also delicious, but it was a bit much for me, so baby had to finish that for me. So we're walking now, and we're just taking a post-meal stroll. Hey, look at the Queen Emma Bridge. And what's the other bridge called, baby? What's the other bridge called? Juliana Bridge. And over there is Punda. It's gorgeous right here. That is where we're coming from. Route 4. That's where the restaurant was. The bridesmaids are coming out. They look gorgy. We're in the pharmacy now, just picking up some stuff for traveling tomorrow. We're traveling with only carry-ons, so we need some travel size stuff. The heat is taking no prisoners. It is hot outside. We were hoping to find small spray deodorants, but we're only finding these roll-ons. I haven't used a roll-on in so many years. We may have to go with one of these. We're just checking them out to see how they smell. But I really wish they had the small spray cans instead of roll-ons. We got some stuff, but we're going to the supermarket to see if we can find the spray, the travel size spray. But we made a stop. If you follow my Instagram stories, you know I love bubble tea, and there's a new boba place in Curacao, so I'm gonna check it out. I hope it tastes good. So in Jamaica, we drive on the left-hand side of the road. In Curacao, they drive on the right-hand side of the road. So I'm learning how to drive on the other side of the road, and it's so awkward. I don't always drive like this. If I look weird, it's because I feel weird. Because driving on the other side of the road takes, like, your mind has to rewire. Everything changes in your mind. But we're learning. This person could have let me out though. This person could have let me out. I was here before them. Is it a first come first serve basis? I just want to be able to drive relaxed. But I feel okay, this is a straight road, so we're good. With the roof out over our heads, we share the off my single bed. We'll share the same room. Big tune for you. We are back in Punda. Actually, back in Otrobanda, but we only parked on this side. We actually want to go over to Punda. They have something every Thursday night called Punda Vibes. That's where we're going. But quite to our surprise, the bridge is open. The Queen Emma Bridge is open, and it doesn't look like they're gonna close it anytime soon. I've never seen it open for this long before, so we're gonna see if we can take a ferry to the other side. I've never taken a ferry from Otrobanda to Punda, so we're gonna see if that's possible.
You better turn up. You better move it when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. I should probably just go catch
Well, Punda Vibes is vibesing, but we have a flight to catch in the morning. So we're heading back home. We're just waiting for the ferry to come back. And we're gonna get in, make sure we pack up and everything, and get ready for tomorrow. Yeah, so see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. We're heading to a new country tomorrow. I'm super excited. Of course, I'm gonna take you there with me, and we're gonna experience it together. Thanks for watching as usual. This was just a chill short vlog just to check in with you guys. So until the next one, take care.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. I look to